Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you very much, my very dear brother, President Ilham Aliyev, honorable members of Azerbaijan and Pakistan delegation, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good afternoon. My dear brother President, thank you very much for inviting us to your great country and our brotherly country, Azerbaijan. And ever since we have landed here, since last night, we have enjoyed every moment of our stay, and it is not only very comfortable but very productive and useful. The city, beautiful city, Baku, in summer, it is a treat to watch its greenery, its landscape, horticulture. And thank you very much for dispatching your delegation to Islamabad, who are now beautifying a beautiful Islamabad, which has its natural beauty and a very beautiful city being made more beautiful and attractive by your team. Thank you very much. Here in Baku, it's now covered with the white blanket, which is itself another level of comfort. Your Excellency, today our discussions have been very productive and very useful, and reflected the deep spirit of our brotherhood and our fraternal relations. You have been a great supporter of Pakistan. You love the people of Pakistan, and you have demonstrated your words by your actions over the period of time ever since you took over the reins of this great country. And similarly, Your Excellency, I can tell you without any ray of doubt that all political parties in Pakistan, they are unanimous on a few things, and one of those things is that our friendship between Pakistan and Azerbaijan. And this is supported by all factions in Pakistan, and that's a great sense of satisfaction. Your Excellency, your visit to Pakistan last time took our brotherly relation to a different level and strengthened this cordial relations. And I am extremely grateful to you when you announced that Azerbaijan intends to invest $2 billion in Pakistan in ventures which are mutually beneficial, which will bring dividends to both countries. And I am extremely happy to say that ever since both teams have worked very seriously to achieve results in this behalf. And I'm so happy to hear this from you this morning, that the two teams have done a lot of work, and now a deadline of 1 month has been given to both sides to finalize all arrangements. And in the month of April, inshallah, end of April, once everything is discussed and decided, I'll be again deeply honored and extremely happy to receive you again in Islamabad in April to ink these agreements valuing $2 billion. This will be, Your Excellency, the first quantum jump in our trade investment relations, and a huge reflection of our fraternal bonds, because our friendship, our political understanding, our unity of thought and action at international levels, international forums, has been legendary. But I think on this count, I think our business, our trade, our investment relations were not reflecting the true strength of our relations. I think today we have achieved that target, and inshallah, in a month's time from now, we will celebrate this great decision into action, and I'm extremely grateful to you for your sincerity, your leadership, your sagacity, and your vision. And I want to assure you, my very dear brother, President Ilham Aliyev, that I will not let you down, and I will try to meet your speed and commitment, if not more. Your Excellency, Pakistan has always supported Azerbaijan's stand on Karabakh, and Alhamdulillah, through your vision, your courage, and your decisive decision making has led to peace, in that part. And I was supposed to visit Fazulya tomorrow and then to Shosha and the mountains, but I think the kind of chill factor I experienced last evening, combined with the snowfall, I think we decided that in summer, when we will be visiting your great country and our second home again for SEO, then we will visit together and be there and appreciate your magnificent achievements. Your Excellency, thank you very much for your support for the people of Kashmir. You have always supported the cause of Kashmir without any political conditions or strings, and that has been your hallmark, and that has been your steadfast position, and we and the people of Pakistan deeply appreciate this. And I hope the resolutions passed by General Assembly and Security Council will be materialized one day soon through our collective efforts, because they are human beings and they have sacrificed for 7 decades to fight for their freedom, for their right of self-determination. And I think the world should support their cause and their endeavors and not oppose it. Similarly, Your Excellency, the people of Gaza, now need permanent ceasefire, and the world, admitted cause of Gazans and the Palestinians, two-state of Palestine is a cause where there is complete unanimity. And I think today is the time that this pause in Gaza will now be converted into a permanent ceasefire. And then I think the dream of two-state of this area, the Palestine state, will be materialized in times to come, sooner rather than later. Your Excellency, today these MOUs which have been signed here and agreements which have been signed here will go a long way in promoting our sincere efforts to have very good dividends in times to come. SOCAR and their Pakistani counterpart have extended the LNG framework by another 2 years. Trading company has been established, and of course many other landmark MOUs and agreements have been signed. Today I am very grateful for your unstinted support. And I totally agree with you that this is the time Pakistan and Azerbaijan, who have wonderful strategic defense relations, they must be now enhanced to a much higher level. We must have joint defense production capacity, and this is absolutely commitment on both sides. And while the Azerbaijan delegation will visit Pakistan in the month of April, am I right? April. This will be one of the high priority agenda of the delegation, and we will be ready to have serious and sincere discussions and negotiations in this behalf. Your Excellency, your project of international infrastructure corridor is the need of the hour, and Gwadar Port is the destination for imports and exports. This is, I think, bring a transformative, and very positive impact in the entire region, and we fully support this vision of yours. And again, this would be one of the agenda items of the delegation when they meet together to find ways and means to take this vision of yours forward, because this will be again a win-win situation. Your Excellency, once again, I'd like to thank you for your very warm hospitality. You are a brother, we are like a family, and I look forward to your visit to Pakistan in the month of April for this great event and great signing ceremony, which will be watched not only the people of Pakistan, not only in the four nook and corner of our brotherly country, Azerbaijan, but globally. And this is what we must achieve, and this is what we must reflect: peace and progress and prosperity, not only in this region, but in the length and breadth of this entire world. Warm waters of Arabian Sea to the expanse of Caspian Sea is our friendship, is our brotherhood, and we will solidify it, we will strengthen it through our mutual efforts, and inshallah this brotherhood will live as long this world is in existence. Thank you very much, and God bless you.